How to invite friends on Zangi app. Hello guys, welcome to another tutorial. In this video, you'll learn how you can invite friends on Zangi app. Now on the Zangi app, the major way of inviting your friends is through content, and here is how to go about it. The first step is to open up the Sagi application on your device, and then after opening it up, you'll be brought to the page where you would see the number of calls or the number of chats you've had so far on Sangi. And then once you can see that, the next thing that you have to do is to go to the top part of the screen and then click on the friends tab. After clicking on the friends tab, you can see the option invite friends. So just go ahead and click on it this way. So after clicking on invite friends, you can see the two options required. You can either invite friends through SMS or by sharing the link. So by SMS, just click on invite by SMS. Then after that, your contacts would be displayed, and then you have to select the contact that you would like to send SMS to. All right. And then if you want to use the other method, which is by sharing it, you can just click on share, and then you can now decide to copy this link or to share it to any of the social media platforms that you're on. All right. And then once they click on the link, they'll be directed to Play Store where they can download the Sangi app. Once they download the Sangi app and they log in, they'll automatically be your friends on Sangi. So this is how to invite friends on Sagi. Thanks for watching and have a good day.